Hello again, everyone, here at the National Cattlemen's Beef Association Cattle Industry Convention and Trade Show, and we've stopped off at the Gallagher booth, but it's partnered up with GSE, and Scott Walters is with us now. Scott, talk about the 30,000 foot view for those listeners of exactly what GSE is.
So GSE is the engineering firm that specializes in communications, mainly around telematics. And we brought this to the agricultural market to manage animals and also the people managing those animals.
So Scott, you're holding in your hand there is one of the latest, I think, inventions, anyways, for the agricultural world. Like you talked about, an ear tag. Not necessarily your ear tag that you normally see. This one has a solar panel on it and provides data in remote locations.
Absolutely. So unlike LoRa technology and cellular connectivity, where you have to have either a station where it costs thousands of dollars to input, or you're relying on areas that are close by civilization, it's not where we're operating. We're operating everywhere. So this solution is satellite-based. You have activity no matter where you're at. Whether you're in the mountains or you're in the plains, you've got connectivity. You can always hear it.
Wow, that's important for the region that we're in. Montana is certainly a lot of remote, no cell phone service. So as you mentioned, that satellite base will really help get through. Talk about ways producers can learn a little bit more.
So one of the ways that you can learn a little bit more is going to gsatsolar.com. We have our device on there. You can see the size, see how it's applicated, put it through the ear, just like any normal tracker. But you can also see stories about things that have happened, like being able to see the average movement of your animal, so you can see how much that impacts muscle mass, grazing. You can see how bulls interacted with heifers, so you can really understand what your animals are doing and how they're interacting with one another.
Certainly, 2022 is now upon us. Anything coming down the pipeline that you guys are excited about?
Well, this is it. This is really what we're driving forward. We know it's going to be impactful, not just from the behavior side, but also making sure that you don't lose any of those animals as they're wandering about. If you've got animals that are working on government land, we find out where they are at the end of the season, tell you where they are going to be, kind of build out a plan from them. So,
most certainly. Well, that's going to do it here in Houston from the National Cattlemen's Beef Association at the GSE booth. From the Northern Ag Network with Scott Walters, I'm Andy Schwab.